Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some warm, stylish outfits. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla, and on this channel, I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below. As we all know, winter is right around the corner. Even though winter is not here yet, it definitely feels like a winter out already. So I wanted to share with you guys some outfits that are stylish and warm at the same time. I'll also try to link as many of these items as I possibly can down in the description box down below.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Ways break up all the same. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Please remember to count your blessings and be grateful. Remember to be kind to others. And also remember to subscribe down below. Until next time.